हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द बेस्ट डेटा एनालिटिक्स कोर्स अवेलेबल इन चेन्नई. Before we start, I want to advise you that how to select the best data analytics course. Now, I have reviewed so many institutes to make this video. But I have noticed that most of the institutes are focused towards giving knowledge about all the data analytics tools. When I checked the reason behind teaching so many tools of data analytics, I realized that they all are running to win the students' demand. Whenever they see an institute providing book material and other advanced tools, it leaves an impression that learning extra and extra modules will benefit them in future. However, it is not so true to be an analyst. आपको कुछ specific tools आने चाहिए in which you are really good and actually want to go ahead to build a career. तो अगर मैं आपको इस बारे में समझाऊं तो डेटा एनालिटिक्स में ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 100 टाइप के डेटा एनालिटिक टूल्स आने चाहिए. आपको अगर इन टोटल सिर्फ 4 से 5 टूल्स भी इफेक्टिवली यूज करने आते हैं with proper hands-on experience, then you can get a great exposure in this field. Now, अब ये सभी चीज़ों को कंसिडर करते हुए I realized that a couple of institutes जो कि अच्छे हैं and there are few institutes जो कि बेस्ट हैं. So as the topic suggests, मैं आपको बेस्ट डेटा एनालिटिक्स के इंस्टीट्यूट्स की इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने वाली हूँ. So the best course that I want to share is from IIM Skills. IIM Skills डेटा एनालिटिक्स कोर्स के कई बेनिफिट्स हैं, like their experienced trainers. मैंने खुद इनकी लिस्ट चेक करी है जिसमें their trainers are having 15 years plus experience in this field and also they are from IBM, PwC and Air India. इतने एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेनर से कोर्स करना अपने आप में ही एक बड़ी बात है. आफ्टर दिस वी विल टॉक अबाउट IIM Skills alumni. Then they all are working in top brands. Also, many got internationally placements in countries like Canada, UK and the United States. Also, IIM Skills is not just limited to India. They have international affiliations from Lisbon University, that's in UK, and DSAFS, which is certification standard and an industry association that maintains the competency and exam standards for data science and analytics in coordination with industry leaders. कोर्स में आप सभी को 6 weeks की paid internship, personalized one-on-one mentorship और 10 globally recognized certifications भी मिलेंगे. And there are easy EMI options available from Bajaj and other top loan providers. इन सभी चीज़ों के बाद आपके मन में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ आ रही होगी कि इतने सारे फीचर्स होने से IIM Skills की कोर्स फीस लाखों में होगी. तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. Their course fees is just ₹49,900, which is justified and cheaper as well. Because बाकी सब कोर्स की फीस around 1 to 2 lakhs तो मिनिमम होती ही है. तो और क्या चाहिए? Check out IIM Skills website link in the description box and book your call today. I really hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to guide you. And if you're serious about your career, don't forget to explore this opportunity. Thank you for watching.